Hello everyone, welcome to a Small Terrible channel. Welcome especially to my co-teachers. So this session, I am going to give a tutorial on how to create a class. So first you open this browser, Google Chrome browser. Then in the Google Chrome browser, you type classroom.google.com. After that, if you have not yet signed in, you are prompted to the option wherein you are going to sign in using your Gmail account. So since I have signed in already, all I have to do is, so I have my account here already. So I have to do is I am going to, so let us select this plus sign here. Then you have two options. You select create class. Then you put in here the details of your class. So class name, for example, Science 7. Section, gardening. Subject, science. Room, for example, this is room 44. Select create afterwards. Just wait. Oh, wait. I'm almost. I'm so sorry for that interruption. I am just recording here in the Piso Cafe. Piso Net Cafe. Okay, after that, so you have your class now. You are going to change this cover here in case it doesn't match to your subject. For example, your subject is math and you have this picture, so you're going to select theme here. Okay, let's go back. Just select theme, this one. Select theme. So if you're a math teacher, you're going to select which cover best fit to your subject. So if you're an English teacher, arts, sports, and others. Okay, just select. So if you're a TLE teacher, so you can select which cover fits here. So for example, your first quarter is all about this one, carpentry, so you may select this one. Okay, so I have already my cover here. So this fits already for my first quarter in Science 7. It's all about chemistry, so this fits. Okay, so you may now start your class having this sharing with your class. So you may say hello everyone. Then you may add whatever file you want to from if you would like to share to your students a motivational video, you may select here YouTube. Then select here, for example, motivational video. Then you may just select believe you can do it, for example, just click add. Then don't forget to click post. Okay, then your student can readily see this whenever they enter your class. And don't forget to share this code to your student so that they can enter your class. Again, select here, this one. There's the word display if it will be selected, if the cursor will be here. This, okay, you just click and share this to your students so that they can enter your class. Then the classwork, so you're going to prepare your assigned task for your students. Then here, your students' name will be displayed. Okay, and the grades later on. And if, for example, accidentally you find that this class has been accidentally created, so all you have to do is, what are you going to do? Let's go back to our here. So all you have to do is, so that's the classroom, right? Just select this one, then classroom. Then in here, you are prompted with this in your screen. Just select the three dots, select archive. Then after that, select archive. Anyway, I have this tutorial already. Then let's just review. Then select again here, then archive classes, then select again the three dots, then select clear. So I have this previous tutorial already, so this is just a review. Okay, so that would be all. Thank you so much.